video today, we're going to talk about the Campfire Kitchen, what I put in it, and why I did it. So in the Campfire Kitchen, I really wanted to focus on what you would have at your campsite. This is so important for everyone out there who goes camping and they watch a video in the middle of nowhere with all these different tools. People just won't have access to that. In the Campfire Kitchen, there are three elements. We have the place to cook, that is the fireplace. We also have the cutting area, and then we have this bench here, which is representative of a picnic table. This was something that I actually repurposed from something else that I was doing. It's a little bit higher, it's narrower. I'll be able to get nice close-up shots of what I'm doing. I also have pillars on the side so I can hang stuff like a camera, lighting, whatever I need. This is my fire pit. It is a little bit unique because it is a actual washer machine drum, and I put sand and rock around the outside for really just more safety reasons. I am gonna get a grill grate for it so that I can put it over the top. If I want to put a pot on that, I'll just put it right on there, and then you can kind of stuff the other side with firewood. So this is my log chopping area. I don't necessarily think that every single campsite have them, but most of them that I've been to have some sort of area where you can chop up wood. If you can't, you can always use your picnic table. With just those things, you can create incredible meals. The entire system here is going to be running off firewood, nothing else, no propane. I do have the ability to do that, so I think eventually I want to go to a stove that you might bring with you and show you how to cook off that. If you want to level up and use that fireplace, then that is where this location will be best for you. I'm super excited after putting in all this work to create this studio so that I can show you what you can do at your own campsite. In this video here, we camp for 24 hours using $100 of only Amazon stuff. And you'd be surprised about what we found out.